Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm taking a look at the RGB fans from Anidees, the AI Tesseract. Now we all like our RGB peripherals, and these Tesseracts from Anidees look pretty cool. And they're also very affordable. In fact, I picked this A1 Tesseract kit, which includes the 3 fans, the RGB LED hub and the remote, all the cables to connect them and the screws to mount them for just shy of £45. So I'm really excited to test these out. They look great in person. And they look really nice, being some of the best looking fans I've seen in recent years. The RGB implementation, in my opinion, is one of the best on the market. They look amazing, they look even better in person. The frames look good too, being all black and colour neutral, and they have rubber corners on both sides to stop noise vibration. Each of these fans have one cable coming off them, which is responsible for the LED control and fan control. And you connect that up to the RGB LED hub, which is included with this kit. The hub supports up to 8 fans and 2 RGB strips. PWM cable can be connected here and then to a system fan header on your motherboard, and SATA power is required to drive the hub. So overall, not many cables to deal with, and cable management should be straightforward. Now the RGB hub is relatively small and it has 2 magnets built in, which means you can put it anywhere within your metal case without too much effort. Now the great thing about these fans is you can actually use them to cool your radiator if you have water cooling, or just cool your case. Also, the fans are relatively quiet for how well they perform. Now to customize the look and feel of these fans, they are syncable with motherboard manufacturer software like ASUS Aura SYNC and MSI Mystic Sync. Okay, to summarize, these fans look great. They're one of the best looking fans I've seen, and they have plenty of effects which look pretty cool. Also, they're quite versatile. You can use them to cool your radiators or just cool your case. And they're very quiet for the performance you get from them. You can sync them with other RGB devices as they are compatible with other motherboard software. And finally, the price. You can pick these up for under £45, which in my opinion is an absolute bargain for what you're getting. Similar systems from bigger manufacturers are almost double the price. That's my opinion on these fans, guys. Go ahead and let me know your opinions on the comments below. Also give us a like on this video if you enjoyed it. It does help out the channel a lot. That's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one.